GetConnected. Gotta get yourself connected.
Well, an important consideration for a lot of businesses around the world is power, actually powering the business. We've got our guest, Malcolm Metcalfe from Sempa Power Systems. Thanks for coming on the show.
Oh, thank you.
I wanted to chat with you. You have a really interesting solution for businesses, a hybrid power system.
Yes, we started the company aiming to implement solutions that were relatively green, that would reduce greenhouse gas emissions, but very quickly realized that in order to implement them in most businesses, we had to have a value proposition that made sense. Our first target is to save money, second is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and third is to save total energy. And we've been implementing these systems. They switch between electricity and fossil fuel. They basically use off-peak electricity to displace fossil fuel and therefore generally reduce greenhouse gas emissions and also save a lot of money. We started in Whistler where fossil fuel costs were quite high and implemented quite a number of jobs in that area. Actually, it turned out that savings were far more than we'd expected. The Four Seasons Hotel bought a system from us that has saved them consistently over $300,000 a year, and it had a payback of well under 2 years. And we've grown from there. We now have people in Toronto, Montreal, Winnipeg, and we're actually implementing systems at the moment in Winnipeg.
Well, I think the whole return is an important component there. I know a lot of businesses are concerned about greenhouse gas emissions, but if they don't see that payback happening in a short time, they typically don't want to invest that money.
That's true. The availability of off-peak electricity is an interesting issue. Electricity is a very unique commodity. It's used the instant that it's produced. And large generating plants that are powered by nuclear energy or by coal, which actually make up the bulk of the North American energy supplies, don't like to change loads dramatically. During the daytime, there's about 3 hours that we're very, very short of supply. And during the night, we have huge surpluses. The price difference on the wholesale market typically in a day will vary by a factor of more than 10. There's very few commodities that do that. The nighttime surplus is very large, and that's the energy that we're using to displace fossil fuel.
And so your system, when you put it into a business, takes advantage of that then?
Yes.
And how hard is it to install a system? Like, do you have to completely gut the whole system inside a building, or can it be added on?
No, typically we've been installing an add-on electric boiler along with existing boilers or heaters, as the case may be, and a metering system to meter the total consumption of power in the building and to be able to manage the whole system, and then a fairly elaborate control system. The control system is something that we can remotely monitor, and we manage it remotely for every site that we've implemented. For
businesses that want to find out more information, where can they go?
They can call us at our offices or visit our website at www.sempapower.com.
Malcolm Metcalfe from Sempa Power Systems. If your business is interested in saving power and getting that return within 3 years, you'll want to check out their website.